welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Bottker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Master Mediator Larry Rothbart. So, Larry, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you for having me so much. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. So, Larry, tell us what you do.
Okay, I like to say I'm a matrimonial lawyer who practices in the realm of non-adversarial practices, meaning mediation, collaborative practice. I do some what I call small adversarial cases, mainly cases that just don't settle quite as quickly as I would like them to. I like to say I help people over the hump and hurdle of divorce, and that's what I do.
Well, Larry, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
I would say almost at any time. I have people come into me before they've even seen somebody like you, who say, I'm interested, our family's having problems. We would like to maybe mediate and not litigate.
So, Larry, what's the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
You know, in this days of remote work, the old days it used to be just get on the phone and call me at my office. Remote work has sort of canceled that a little bit. The best way probably is just to email me. You can go to my website, rothbartlaw.com, and there's a contact place, or you can just email me at lrothbart@rothbartlaw.com.
Well, that's perfect. So, Larry Rothbart, we have now come to the most important part of our show. And that happens to be the question of the week. So, Larry Rothbart, this is your question of the week. You have access to a time machine that allows you to go back in time. You're permitted to act as the mediator for one dispute in history. What dispute do you mediate and why?
You know, this was really a difficult question because I didn't know if I should go big or small. I mean, am I going to bring world peace? Am I going to solve the Israeli-Palestinian problem? Am I going to go to Putin and solve Ukraine-Russia, or do I go small? And then I realized there's an old adage that writers often are told, write about what you know. So that's what I'm going to do. And I thought about it, and it came to me. It's sort of in the news a little bit, but Lady Di and Prince Charles divorce.
Oh, I love it.
It's sort of what I do. And when I thought about it, it had everything that I work with all the time. What does it have? It has two people in an unhappy relationship. It has interfering parents. It has extended family interfering. It has a family business. It has two young children. It has affairs on both sides. It has imbalances of power, both assets, cash flow, and I would say children, because Lady Di seemed to have a stronger position with the children than Prince Charles had. So when I think about it, that would be the place I'd want to go.
I mean,
and they were not focused on the, excuse me?
It would just be like another day in the office for you, Larry.
It would be another day in the office, just a bigger office, more people involved. They both had, there's an old saying in the drama field, there's the Greek chorus. In Greek drama, there's people in the background who talk behind. They clearly had a large Greek chorus for both of them. Right. So that's what I do. And they seem to have forgotten that I tell people all this time, you're not destroying your family. You're reconfiguring your family. And they seem to forget that they were reconfiguring their family, and that by attacking each other, in essence, they're attacking one half of their children.
Yeah,
that's why I think that would be the place where I'd like to go.
And Larry, that is an amazing answer. And I just want to say, you've said it all. You are helping people mediate their disputes one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thanks for having me so much. Bye-bye.